So Clover Point of Sale has the capabilities of letting you split the payment. And what is a split payment? So this is commonly used in like restaurants or coffee shops where a party of several people will sit at a table, have food, but then when the bill comes, they would like to each separately pay for parts of the bill, or maybe they have an arrangement to split it half and half. Whatever the case may be, splitting functionality is natively available on Clover, and I'm going to demonstrate how that works. So we'll start with just the register app, right? And we'll go ahead and build up a bit of a deal here. So we got a couple of apples, we have some bananas, and so now we have this bill for $2.28. Let's just add something else to make it a little bit more. So here it is, $26, right? And when you get to this payment screen, what you see here, right? So this is your options to pay. You can pay with credit cards, you can pay with cash, and you have your other payments. And if you look at here, it tells you pay full amount. Let me do a bit of zoom in there. Right? Pay full amount, split custom amount. So you can just split 2 ways, split 3 ways, split 4 ways, split 5 ways, or split 6 ways, or you can just custom split. So this is basically split on the amount, or you can split by items, right? So you can take these 2 items and pay for those separately, and then take that item and pay for it separately. So absolutely, there is a ton of functionality pertaining to the splitting of payment, and it stays on this payment screen here, where you can either split by custom amount or split by items. And there's also split by guest. If you're using like a dining app, there's going to be a split by guest there as well.